This channel started with my journey in exterior cleaning, but over time I realized that true success has absolutely nothing to do with the work that you do, and it has everything to do with who you are while you're doing that work. And so after a lot of consideration, I've decided from this point forward, this channel is going to be all about confidence, resilience, and identity. Really, those are the foundations of a stable and fulfilling life. I'll be sharing real lessons learned through failure, growth, leadership, struggle, all the different things that I've dealt with throughout my own life and my multiple careers, along with practical tools to help you rebuild your foundation, strengthen your mindset, and create a life of purpose and direction. If you're ready to grow from the inside out, you're in the right place. That's what this channel is for. I want to make sure that we are building a community. I'm not worried about how many people are here. I'm more focused on the quality of people that are here. And so if these are topics that you're interested in and you want to learn and grow along with me, then please subscribe to the channel. And I look forward to meeting you and learning a little bit more about you. A lot of the things that I want to focus on in this channel is going to be driven by your comments and your requests. So if you have requests or comments, please get into the habit of sharing them below each video. And as I develop things, I will create a section so that you can jump into more of a private group, whether that's going to be on Patreon or school or a different program. I'm not quite sure yet. If you have an opinion about that, go ahead and leave it down below this video. But hopefully this gives you kind of an idea of why I'm doing the switch. And I hope that you'll come along with me on this journey and really just be open and honest with me about what's helpful, what's not helpful, so that we can build this channel into something that is really rich and full of good information, especially for the younger generation. So I look forward to this, and I will see you guys in the next video.